Do you want to use Claude Code with a powerful AI model without being logged in into a single provider? In this video, I will show you how to integrate Tencent Hy3 into your Claude Code. It is an open source model that currently delivering impressive coding performance and becoming a strong alternative to many popular AI models. Its setup process is simple, currently free, and this is open source as well. After comparing its benchmark with popular model, everyone is impressed to try it. Today I will show you to integrate inside your Claude Code and inside your Visual Studio Code as well. Let's get started. Before integrating it, first let's explore what does it provide, what does they mention, and its coding capability and benchmark. Here in model introduction, it will mention Hy3 is a 295 billion parameter mixture of expert MOE model with 21 billion active parameters. Do you imagine? Currently, only 21 billion parameter is active and it has total 295 billion parameter mixture of experts model. If all the parameter will be available, then it will be challenge for OpenAI and Anthropic. This is the open source model. And 3.8 billion MTV layers parameter developed by the Tencent Hy3 team. In the property section, it will say architecture, mixture of expert, total parameter, active parameter, number of MTV layer, hidden size. It will mention many more things. Strong agent capability. Building on S3 preview, we further improve the quality and diversity of post-training data while scaling of RL training. And I'll mention one thing. Currently it will be freely available until 21 July and it might use your data for the training purpose. That's why didn't work with any open source model that will be sensible for you. Okay, not only the Hy3, all the open source model may use your data for training purpose. Here is in the benchmark, which is the scary part. Current benchmark that will be available is in the market, which already beat DeepSeek in each and every benchmark and directly competing with ChatGPT, Claude Opus and GLM 5.2. In some benchmark, it will already beating ChatGPT and Claude. This is the benchmark appendix. Okay, if you want to explore it all, I'll provide all these. Link is in the video description that will be used in this today's video. Some model are expert in finance, some model are expert in science, some model are expert in technology, marketing, research. But if you can see, Tencent Hy3 will be expert in each and everything. In most of the field currently it will rank is in the top 10-20 rank. Main things, current programming index, it will rank in the 9th position and this is open source model. I will show you how you can use this type of intelligence model inside your Claude Code. Okay, after that, let's start to the integration part. If you are new and never use Claude Code, first install it. This is the command to install Claude Code in macOS and Linux. This is for Windows. Copy it and paste it in your terminal and PowerShell. According to your internet speed and device performance, it will install in between 2 to 5 minutes. After it will install, check does it successfully install or not. If version will be reflected during checking Claude version, then it will confirm Claude will be successfully installed. After Claude will be downloaded and installed, .claude folder is created in your directory. In different operating system, it will created in different directory where different audience which use different operating system. That's why I will show you the common way that you can modify your .claude folder setting.json file from same way. First open your Visual Studio Code. Then we will install the code command in Visual Studio Code. To install it, first type Command Shift P in Mac and Control Shift P in Windows and search for shell command. Shell command, then install this code command in path. After installing it, it will be easily accessible in terminal. Okay. After that, type code path.claude folder, which means code command open this .claude folder from this directory. Press enter, then your .claude folder is open inside your Visual Studio Code. Or another easy way, source .claude folder, if you are using it in Windows, it will be created in the C directory. In C directory, source.cloud folder, and open this .cloud folder. Inside this .cloud folder, if setting.json file is already there, then you just need to modify it. If not, add a new file and give settings.json, not setting. Some of you give setting.json and face error, then comment down below, but name is settings.json. Give settings.json, and I will provide this code is in the video description, or you can find this, all the code is in this documentation. Copy this and paste it here, and also add this Anthropic model where we are going to use this Anthropic base URL. Okay, after that we have required the Anthropic API key. To get API key, first create your account in openrouter.ai and go to your profile section. From here you can easily create your API key. Before that, I'll show you my credit where I am using it for free. My credit is 0. And other than this open router, Tencent Hy3 will be available in different platforms, just like Code and some other platform as well. You can get access from there as well, but from here you can integrate inside your Claude Code and Visual Studio Codes. That's why I want to show this method. Give any name of your API key, free API key Hy3, and I'll set expiration date 1 hour only for tutorial purpose. Didn't share your API key with anyone, you will not able to see it again. Then copy and save in your notepad, or you can easily create as much API key as you want. Copy this API key and provide it here in Anthropic auth token section, not in Anthropic API key. Leave this Anthropic API key section empty. After that, go back to the model section and copy this model ID from here and provide it in Anthropic model and model section. Now you are ready to use. Save it. You may try it in Visual Studio Code terminal as well, but I will show you inside main terminal. After that, type Claude and press enter. Claude will be open in your main terminal. It will ask Claude Code will be able to read, edit and execute file here. Do you want to give permission as? Now Tencent Hy3 will be available in your Claude Code. First let's try does it work or not and how much time it will take to respond. Okay, it will respond in 8 seconds. It might be different. If you are try it for the first time, then you may take a little bit more time, and if you are using it for the peak time, then it will also take a little bit more time. Try to use in the normal time. Okay, now after this all, we are going to test it by using one simple project. In here it will mention it will be productive for game design. Then I will try to design one simple game, which is space shooter game. Here I have give the simple prompt. Can you build one fully featured space shooter game using HTML, CSS and JavaScript? Then let's wait until it will complete this task, and I'll show you in how much time it will complete this task, its performance, and we will try it as well. Okay, do you want to proceed? It will create one space shooter folder, and inside this folder it will create one separate HTML, CSS and JS file. As give permission, that will ask, or you can set it auto. It will automatically complete each and every task. For production level app, you need to confirm before it will create and modify any file. It will complete it HTML and CSS file. Now it will working with JS file. Okay, I think it will complete it is and everything, and it will nearly takes 5 minutes. That I feel it will takes 5 minutes and 35 seconds, where it will create separate file for HTML, CSS and JS. During testing it finds some error, it will solve it and it will give us the complete code to test, and here it will also provide the link to run it. Let's copy it and paste it in the browser. Okay, can see launch. Perfect, awesome. It will give score at the top. It will blast. Level 2. I like it. It will working perfectly as well. Okay. And its performance is also good. You can move it from mouse, you can easily move it from keyboard as well, and I like it. Okay, new record game over, you can play it again, everything will be perfect. Background, game movement, level, best score, and everything is perfect. By this way you can use this model inside your Claude Code. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. We'll meet you on the next video, and happy coding.